Welcome. In this session, we would understand some of the very basic concepts in resource conservation, and that is in situ and ex situ conservation. Now, this conservation method applies to forest, it applies to wildlife as well. In situ is simply where you are preserving or conserving on their actual location. However, ex situ means you are extracting, so you are taking those gene samples outside and trying to preserve those. So, in situ conservation actually involves some of the very basic aspects. For example, gene preservation plots. Now, these are the areas which are purely designated for genetic conservation. There would be no harvesting which would be done in the case of plants here. Then the regions of National Park, Biosphere Reserve. In a separate lecture, we have covered what is the difference between National Park and Biosphere Reserve, so you can refer that as well. Also, we do have another conservation strategy which is outside the real environment, and this is what is called as ex situ. As I said, a simple way to remember is ex means extracted, so extracted from the real setting outside their natural habitat. So one good example is preserving the seeds in the seed bank. Now this is where you store the seeds at low moisture conditions, sub-zero temperature, so that their shelf life increases. The next is clone bank or archives. Now here grafting is a common method which is done. So through grafting, what is done is clones are created. Rose is a good example where grafting can be done. And the idea of clonal banks is to create a superior genotype. The next is creating seed orchids. Now here it works both as a production center as well as a conservation center for maintaining high quality of genotype. The next is botanical garden. Now this is a living collection and it is known also as arboreta. So diverse species are maintained within the botanical garden, and this is another way of conserving. Note that in this section we have focused specifically pertaining to plant life. In another sections we will talk specifically on wildlife. So our upcoming series of lectures focus more on agriculture and forestry. So stay tuned for more updates from our side. In case you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to post those in the comment below. Have a great day.